Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, patrons. Today we continue with The Wisdom of Finally Loving Yourself, which is a collaboration with Nikki from Inspired by Nikki, where she does Finally Loving Yourself in Grace and Videography. Today we're talking about Zone 1. Now there are 5 zones, and the first zone is Zone 1, and it always starts on the first day of the month. That means that it might start on a Monday, it might start on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And as an example, in 2019, in February, it starts on a Friday. In March, it starts on a Friday again. But in April, it starts on a Monday. So we only have one day of Zone 1. One day of Zone 1 in February and one day of Zone 1 in March. But in April, we have a whole week of Zone 1. So it always works out. What is Zone 1? It is the entryway. That means outside of your front door and inside of your front door. That would be your patio, your sidewalk, your front porch, the door itself, the doorbell, the surroundings. That's your Zone 1 outside entryway. Inside, the back side of the door or the inside of the door. Any foyer closet, the foyer itself, the stairs if they come into the foyer. These things make up your entryway. And that's what we're going to clean or declutter. So we always start with decluttering, and then once the area is finally decluttered, we can do deep cleaning. And this current month, our zone in January started on, let me see, it started on a Tuesday. So we had Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If we are working in the home as a fly baby at home, if you're a payroll fly baby, then you would have time in the evening to do it if you so choose, or you may put it off till Saturday, and that's your choice. What I recommend you do if there is clutter is that you work for 15 minutes in the zone decluttering, throwing away, putting away, and giving away. Does that mean you're running around putting things away while you're decluttering? No, it does not. You won't get anything done. It means 15 solid minutes with a timer after you've coached yourself to do it, and you maybe have some music going. Put your headphones on if you don't want the neighbors to hear. Where you declutter, you stand still and you put into 3 containers, things you want to throw away, things you want to give away, and things you want to put away. And then when the 15 minutes is up, you throw away the things that are garbage. You give away by putting in the back of your car to take somewhere on your errand day the things you want to give away, and the put away gets put away. Once it's clear, and most people find their entryways pretty easy to clear, once it's clear, let's say that maybe you took 15 minutes to clear it and that was it, and you had several more days like we did in January, then you would go out and take 10 minutes or less to do one thing. Clean the front door, wipe it down, put out maybe put a new wreath out, shake the front mat, sweep the front porch, wipe the surroundings down. What does your doorbell look like? Clean that off. Maybe there's a window out there, you want to clean the outside of the window. Maybe you have a patio table, clean the table. Maybe there are some dead plants that need to go. Get rid of those plants. That would have been part of your declutter though. And then maybe the next day, so that maybe took 2 days, 20 minutes. Then the next day, let's say that you wanted to start working on the inside. You clean the inside of the door. That's one thing to do. And maybe you're done. Maybe that's all there is that month. Next month, you'll have 1 day. You might want to do a quick sweep of the front porch, shake the mat, and then do something on the inside on that 1 day. Because sweeping and shaking the mat won't take you very long. And so maybe you wanted to straighten the foyer closet, and you can do that. Okay, so these are the things we do in the entryway. Maybe you need to take a handheld vac and vacuum the stairway. Whatever it takes, you're going to get the entryway looking nice, because this is the part that says, "Welcome to my home." How many times have you stood at someone's doorbell and didn't even want to ring it because maybe there were smudges on it or there was a spider web on it or something? So you want to make that look nice so that when people walk up, they say, "Oh, this person cares for their home." They may not say those words to themselves, but that's the feeling they get. And that's the feeling I want you to get when you come into your home as well. That's it for today. Don't forget to go watch Nikki's interpretation of this on videography, and always remember that you are beautiful.